Hello family members, rise and shine. I hope everyone is doing good. Movie palasi aro apni ambi sob pal hobo ito mui laga pardana. Okay, mugan kali karpiang long di chawli ase tipu de. So I'm so excited. Kali morning 4 bachi nuli 4:30 ini ado ola boli plan ase. So chagina lo probo tati satikang gibe. Aro itia achikali moi product ekta use kore. So ito kali ni chagide moi palbar ito product to use korna kumabo aro kali chai jabo. So moi ito ki product use kore ito moi tia tika dibo ne. Okay, product to ito ase Mars by Good Health Company. Ito gi minoxidil topical solution, or we can call 5% topical solution in every mate. It is one of the best hair growth product to treat hair loss karni ito pishi balaze. Itu 60 ml bottle diae plus spray nozzle plus topper bi. Aro itu kya zile Mars minoxidil is alcohol free and trusted by the dermatologists all across the world. Use twice a day, and like visibility effect of this product is that after 2 months of using hair growth serum, hair regrowth starts. It starts with the shedding base initially, in which you face more hair loss, which is known as shedding base. And once shedding base is completed, hair regrowth starts. Aro ito kini use kore moi itia tika dibo. No. If any one of my family members kunuba pal mata tagili ito use korbe. Mars by Good Health Company. Ito peshi bala ito serum do. Aro olibi ito kini use korbo moi tika dibo. Ito 60 ml di ahe. And yati spray nozzle aze. Olibi yati first step to kinia kuru leda before apply nukra gitu mohan laga ki asle scalp to try hoba lage try kurgina mohan chuli do kiba kuru lage asti kuligina kun jaga de chuli nai tate ito you can apply spray do panspire mari boli paribo je 5 times apply koruli paribo aro gently kiba korbe kun jaga de chuli nai jate aste korobo or apni kan kiba spray kiba naparalibi itu barabe 20 kiba drops bi tali boli paribo yati bara olagina asti tali boli paribo aro yati asti gently chuli kan do palbra sidol kona kiba korbe asti na mui to chuli do ase holibi family members kuno do takulukan bi ase na mata chuli na taka without hair inia olibi yati olibi kun jaga di chuli nai tadi kiba palbra kiba tali dibe enia nai itu aro kya asle itu halia bechi do olop kiba kura bechi di apni kan kiba gel kan use koribo holibi olop palbra sukai gina kiba kan kura bechi di korobe yati like protein kan ase so itu chuli karni itu hair growth karni itu protein ase itu bra like if we continuously use for 10 to 12 weeks itu like 25% do regrowth chuli do ini ai jabo mongala ini result do 10 to 12 weeks majodi ini chani jabo aro like itu after applying this wash your hand properly na itu like palbra hat kan bi tolabole paribo aro itu price be pishi reasonable ase aro especially pal mata taka kan hali sabi and experience kori sabi beshi bal ase aro ito apni an kunuba if anyone wants to buy this I'll put the link in the description below ito chagina kiba koribe order korna use kori sabi na aro apni an sob itia do asam de look koribo ne
First of all, we can manu kiman juna se to count grow.
11
12
13 14
15 16. Okay, 16 of us. We can la ajila destination to Difu. Jate pra 54 kilometer hobo. To to and fro, let's calculate it will be 110 kilometer. To itu ase. We are riding today under the banner Pedal Tribe. Aro aji mui kan karne bishi lag bhal to ekta lady rider ase. To thank you so much for joining us. first time itu ase, and we will ride together as a group and we will enjoy, we will have fun. So aji laga program te isor pra ami kan ke guide kuribi, isor la blessing di jabole karne tate ami kan la tribesmen sir muatin ke isor laga ashirwad mangina, guidance pangina, bless kurina, moi kan start bro.
Okay.
Okay, break road eh.
Good morning, brother.
Morning.
Ikaw na. Oh. Ako na kan. Chris. Come. Hello, brother. Let's go.
Yeah, chalo.
Let's go. Chalo. चल चल चल, come on. Wow. Let's go. चल चल चल, come on. Let's go. Paris na. You can. this. Amazing.
Bye.
Wow. Mukhang to. Ayah, petrol tambi bisi ushe, diesel dam. Itu bra, itu choose kurusi deh. Satikan, family members. Besi balas deh. Mazul bi bisi ulai. Aro heart karni bi heartbeat kan kian sut karni bisi balas deh. Nah. Aro air pollution kian kiban dokore ya itu. Nah. Itu क्या चले तिलाइकेट पहुंचे से तिलाइकेट सो पाया लगा होटल दे जगह बोले से let's have paratha ना paratha का बोले से itu kaya ना lo pal berja jawa तिलाइकेट पहुंचे चले तेला makan sister kan itu tipu di chase itu lo boleh ayo baje na pari tay we try na introduce कर दियो तांग gitu yeah sorry
Thank you so much. Ayah club lah namanya baru.
Itu lo pinjam itu. Ayah. Ayah. Sorry.
Wednesday tu na short track today. So orang tak join boleh. One like
ayah lu piciri cagi na stand tangan lah 3 ribu deh sorry oh okay let's go for Barda and this one aro anda aro cagi na pat kabo na deh ayo sabi oh salam
Salam.
ayah tay ayah tok paisi ko je oi
गाड़ी ते जाबो इतिया
oi
उठी
ne salam aro he
उठिबी
Naki na.
muan rakido tat rakido
Raki do na.
oi udo cha khala de
Abi ku de raki.
ujo ujo pai jabo adam devi to par na chawle aje oi next time
아멘 다비 로컬 마누군 바세 다한 게 고이나서 다한 브라멘겐 루이나 비라고 또 스테디엄 파 जाबो और फ्लावर गार्डन ना
chala nahi
Acha acha.
aste aste hotel di rakhi debo nule pugina ni debo no palbra jabe bye bye nahi brother la do kirla sa de ole tago tu tai bije sabe let's go 1 kilometer now kong 140 let's go aru itu moila cycle noi brother laga je to brother injan kun la asle thank you so much no brother pal bar chula je first time gear cycle long drive ja do apni la cycle dio thank you so much Woo! oh no ठीक है manja 13 itu biji dia aru tipu oh no long way to go etia kiman nisina cover korje distance 32 aru kiman nisina jawar
Yadira Manja Junction 2 kilometers.
aha
From there,
tipu
15 to 17 kilometers.
ayah
अब भी एन्जॉय गर्छ न
आया पाल बया आ उले अपने आगे किता उले नबा अपने अन भिडियो नाइ बोदे सिचाइसे
भिडियो दे आउँदैन मलाई बिचेरी
होइन अलप आस्ते सिन आया तन्ता बने एक तने तेला मगी पर भी सही हो जाए वीडियो
अब न
सलाम
अलि अन्धेर
हामीलाई मागी चाहिँ कालिजा दे सजितालाई दो एमएमए लादो
आराम दे पढना पढ्छ असिले नकमिस पा एमान वा खेलु जान्न
नतुन आजिला नतुन सब्सक्राइबर
नतुन सब्सक्राइबर प्रडला नाम के छ सुभाष अरे देख से गारे लोय जामसिलो मोय चनिना तु लागा तो मंजला चंगसिना जे अरो बनि चलिदो टिपो
गुवाहाटी
अरे वाली चलिदो
गुवाहाटी जाऊ
गुवाहाटी चल्नु पर्यो
अब यो सनस्क्रिन यति बोलाएर चाहिँ
सनस्क्रिन
त्यस्तै
चाहिँ प्रडरा
त्यही
सनस्क्रिन लगा power sunscreen la power tum sangli na sakwa okay thank you ya kija ida megi manager push do da kija de cuma sa ya pernah de de kone no right there sunburn na kali usina bro ika to down na sina ikuna let's go. Finally, look at this. Itu bi nakalin ulit kiman bal na sabi do hotel ra kya igina pulawo de sports inia meeting role do beshi bal pulawo sabi oh hey ay ay young energetic kamya de number likely mo ge team guru de ay sabi de foreign national brother ro hello ay akwa ro ting do sunburn आया प्रडला नाम के छ
तमचन लमजोर
और पालबर एक्सप्लेन गर्नु न त दे
sure introduce जाऊ और
ओय सबै यति चोपर बे किबा करलु बरो ए आया मुचा इतवान कि अन बे एक्सप्लोर गर्नु न और मन पत्तु तदिगा बुझे होटल ले ना फैमिली मेंबर्स किमान किलोमिटर निसिना बिराजे ब्रदर
कुमा 64 हो चाहिँ
इतिया तो 65 or 64 65 ना
nearly 60
65 제 इतिया रो
अबा सवा
चाबुली मुन्ना यो
मत हो
इंट्रोड्यूस दे जाऊ
सर ओलो पछि दे सनबर्न खाला तो टिका दियो ना
came to know each other, even if we are different state, different tribe, different class, but we know each other through sports. So that's the motive that we are here to do. We are so lucky that they are free, they are giving time, and their precious time and everything today. And then our team from Timapur, we have a comprises of two cycling club. One is Pedal Tribe, and one is Care Trails Cycling Club. So that's the junior. And then our Pedal Tribe, we are with senior. So today we organize this event. So it's just like that. We don't have any such thing, but most of us, we heard about Tipu, but we just close Maza. And then we know that it's Tipu, that's why we decided that we'll come and see the Tipu. And then I know this place, that's why I just came and just explore the stadium and sport infrastructure, because that's how we motivate our sports and health like that. So that's just a small introduction. And then so lucky that we have a good friend, Mr. Landulamba. He's a YouTuber, Jamir Vlog.
YouTube table.
So, I think, open there. And then from here, after some time, maybe he'll take time. My brother Lando, and then our Pedal Tribe captain. He's the one of the strongest cyclists among us. So first, I'll give time to our one.
Okay.
Please. Yeah.
He's the one who came first.
Thank you for having us, and we are very blessed to be here with you all. Thank you.
Ne, ini ya. Ah ya. Au na. Ki puste. Nukpo, oke. Sabi to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 juta ze. Ay ya. Nakalimpi ini kaya itu na. Sabi to. Ay ya, emang mucha. Itu tuh VIP kan lah se. Look at this. Ina likili sports park nola wona. Ini ya kiba kuri deh tangan do. Asik. Moitia Mr. Pankaj Teron, General Secretary Karbi Anglong Sport Association kan lot pugina se. Aro sir itu ground do kitia ba pana suru se.
Basically, this ground was inaugurated in 2018.
2018.
Yeah. Formally inaugurated in 2018. Its construction work started in 2017.
Okay.
And by 18 it was inaugurated. And we had on the inauguration day we had an exhibition football match
Okay.
played between local football team, football club, Morningstar Football Club, and one Bangladesh team was there.
Okay.
So,
Aro itu ground do kung gambra sai.
itu ground to Karbi Anglong Sports Association ground ho itu.
Okay.
Of course, it was made fund which was supported by central government. A one-time fund support কৰিছে. তো এইটো পৰা এইটো বনাইছে. Total 45 crores project আছে.
Okay.
এতিয়া হলে বি এতিয়া নতুন এতিয়া এডিশন আছে. New edition is there. Swimming pool.
Okay.
আৰু এতিয়া multi utility indoor stadium হৈ আছে.
Okay.
On that side, on the southern side, northern side there is swimming pool
Under construction.
construction.
Acha mo ambi yati ay gina first time ay se tipo de
Okay.
par rahi kure olive acha gina pesi surprise ho je ini
Acha,
ado ai nika palbra itu ground gun infrastructure iman palbra meaning korle sports kilian kilian do na
Second ground hoy itu artificial ground to in northeast. First to Shillong pe ase na Shillong
Okay.
So this is artificial
Second.
ground, turf ground to. Itu second ase northeast se. Third to Mizoram te ase.
Mizoram
Aizawl te ase.
Aizawl.
Now in Kohima also there is
Oh,
one
yeah.
ground like this, same ground.
तो
So Agartala te ki bate bhi ase ja. Itanagar te bhi ase.
okay but the standard to itu la alak ase sir busy pala sir
Very good.
yeah meaning is busy pala sir thank you so much sir nei okay thank you yeah yati pulaboli mona je ekdom alak ase look at this koi mal laga to ulai se koi ta kisi to usana misa se ne chane uli tang la to ekdom alak ase ekpado kilo boli mona je yate look at this yeah ini meeting gordo sabi na aro yate chaina restaurant de ki kan kabo family members kan do soup yate ase hey look at this wow rhino asam laga do so beautiful palgar meeting gore look at this itu PHQ de tegi Kohima mas kan do patigada look at this so nice wow 정주도다. 아이, 일단
pusat baru tu. Kumba tu ini kan pusat presiden, jangan kumba tu respresi. Pusat bawah.
아이. Ulok kuno ada risk ko kasi na. Brother, ya, kenal nggak? Itya बात कबूली है एक बच्ची को से 11:15 ना जी क्या बेसी भूख लगी है ने ब्रदर ना Pardana Gorsi Monso. Hi, hi. Brother, Chutui Kabugosi. Hey, let's go. Hey. Yeah. Brother, yes.
Very good. Yeah.
Hey. Next. Hey, what did we? Sorry. Sound of Chutui Kaide. Winner the Kaide. Yeah, go. Aro, nam ekbar koi dena brother. Jamso.
Jones.
Okay. Sampi. Naro. Ruben. Yeah. Bishin sama tu dah. Change. Brother, see all. Brother, dia utis ya na. Okay, Monsop itia pat bergai je. Cutu kali tahan tu na. Kiba aja tahan tu action na. Okay, itia the gear trails ini na. Tang slip hui itu. Itu tangan lo ta se, aro tangan laga moto liwe kian do hoti sab ne. Poli first nam hotu ne brother. Adrian. Na. Aro tai laga Sunny achibi bishi Sunny aje. Kiwi, okay. Anong. Atto. Candy. Okay. Lysor. Okay, taibra futuan pisi kichiri je. Aro like apni ambi tu kitia bra start kurise?
15 January.
Oh, acha this year bra na. Aro members kiman chonishina je?
More than 20 plus.
20 plus. Aro achido achone aisina. So alak kan bi timabudi asna alak tibi ase. Koimadi aro koputi takibo. Oh, sob jaga dia ase. Okay. Aro kya zle? Apne ngala mutu bi kya ase ito? Pedal for change. Yeah, itu aja itu. Sabi tang gitu kita boleh nabre. Aro like state ki andi do apne kan participate kru la. Oh itu sabi. Tang itu do mamli kan ini. Itu do.
downhill kheli thake.
Downhill. Kodi. Aro Assam na. Aro kil malap itu sports. Downhill. Aro itu ini adam di cycle kundu July.
So, we do hardtail line di so like go for
Okay.
hardtail.
Aro cycle kian do like wadi July sponsor korina tan kinia.
Yeah, ton sponsored dito. Partnership tam.
Moi tangan la insta kian sop to tali dibo. Pacakan holibi sundur ni ase. Hey, girlfriend to na wala. Hey, thank you. Battle for change. Way. Photo session aja, dia. Itu. Crowning aja. Kita.
Bro, tagi di mana?
Itu. Tong highway. Sabi. Cameraman do. Tambra sponsor koi dise. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you koli kine kore. Karbiang long Chirolo. Chirolo. Oh. Chirolo. Itia do Red Bull give you wings. Polai na. Ai tabi au manu nisina na liwe. Uido. Uli mo anda karbi ang aro nakado same ajo. Sabulibe eke. Aro nakamis asmis to eke azina.
Naga pani khaina dangor sina David.
Usabe.
Chutu prabi Nagaland te pora aro.
Oh.
Pakkai also no.
Ai, our brother la height to sabi do. Foto kichibo na. Red Bull.
Moi khichibo lage niki.
Acha acha. Foto kichibo. Ina na kichibo ne.
포도지. 이다. Hi. This is the camera YouTuber. Hi, come on.
Na taru sadio na na.
Nice, sadio. Hi.
Jala po yo.
John, come here. Yeah, John, go.
One more.
아야.
Bapare, dangerous awas ase etu to.
존시나도 뭐이나 래. 아야.
So here we are with Jamir Vaux. He has been so gracious enough to come here all the way to Difu to be with us.
아로 like yati I will parado so sports keep up raje.
Oi.
Sports. Oi. Like sports keep up do friendship. अलग भी friendship हो जाए ना. ताई brother भी keep up किले. oi. तुरा काम चली ना. Friendship. Actually, the family look for shit.
Yeah. But anyway, thank you so much. You've been so gracious. Tight Hagarne, this is going to go all over the world. People are going to recognize us, everyone. So,
Thank you.
Chanso.
Chanso. Our brother la namdo.
Damjan Lamtho.
Peace. Thank you so much.
So,
No, thank you. Kia do Red Bull kai kai. Nisha was a Red Bull, bro. Ay muito typhoon pimras dito oli to pani kirili pichali. Sorry. Pedal tribe kana je.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good life.
Okay. Red Bull give you wings. Pulay na jawa. Ito ito taon na eh. Olivi side agibo takambi na. Olivi hospital ito peshi 100% lagi siya.
Seriously, yeah. 110%.
Oh yeah,
They're very
110
good. They're very
extra.
good. Not only this time, but even before, while we are visiting here in this stadium, because we came to know these people through sports.
Sports, yeah.
And then through sports, in sports there's no boundary. There's
Yeah,
no
it was-
boundary,
it was-
there's
it
no
was-
caste. Even different religion, we make friends.
Yeah.
So like these people, they're very hospitality.
Very
This-
humble as well.
Very humble. They sacrifice everything.
Yeah.
And whenever these Tipu people come to Dimapur, we are there. Everyone is here,
Oh, ito.
so we can help them. And
Ivy,
then we
na?
can- Yeah, Ivy.
Please,
Anytime, Ivy.
anytime, Ivy.
We can help you, and then we can reach out anything. We can do anything through sports.
Oh, ito.
That's all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Salute.
Ah, yeah. Basic come to say. Tangan do yate ini kuling na tage hote tangan ko sabti do. Aro crown kian dibe kun kan kilibuli mon ase. Hotiga na ini kilibuli par ko se. Charges ekko nai ko se. Nagalin di charge ko na no ko ni jane. Oli tangan do free bar kilibuli ti ase ko se ete. Itu azu do. Na. Itu bar pal ula do itu ase. Na. Wah, sorry. Pal venture koriছে takan takabra movie to tipu saboli parise takan brand nama tili to moi ai boli bi paru takana aro takala kiba do kite kolisil brother
This year,
aha
9 June.
9 June aro ite rak member kan kiman June nisina takibo
We can itia 2 June ase.
2 June na like aro besibak legend gani azina
Boy, itia tak to ini legend ek kobo. Aji 110 km cover korai sabti to ini legend nisna dhori lo.
aha olibi itu kibi bisi ho nisina je
Boy, boy.
calculate kora do na
Boy, boy.
aro apni kala mutu bi kia je brother
We can la moto. It's very simple.
aha
Through cycling,
aha
bringing together all the cyclists
aha
under one tribe, and there is pedal tribe.
Okay. Itu aja doh. Sabi he. Ayah.
Aro aji amikan itu difuta ride kurina atu.
Aha.
Amikan ekta team te ride kurina ise.
Mhm.
Aro itula team tu ride bicycle, safe environment,
Aha.
stay fit.
Itu aja doh.
Very simple.
Aru itia mungan kiba di jawuli aja. Pang kita sabuli. Itu one of the best asam dia ini kaya kuitak sila.
Yeah, yeah.
Renowned park. Yeah.
Oi, itu bra, itu garni be saya lagi be. Nah, family members. Oi. Itu na.
Itu na. Avuni kitia 1 million subscriber ho. Moi itu ekta kini diwa avuni ke.
Look at this.